a lot of the men and women that I help, a lot of my clients, kind of like you, high achievers, they want to win the day. They're very successful or extremely successful in their craft. And they've been very successful in this great things called business or art or whatever they're into. And they really want to also be successful with their family, with their kids, in their marriages. And it's hard. It's hard because sometimes with business, you can qualify your success, how much money you've made or how much you've grown your company or your followers. And yet with our kids, it's so much more complicated, right? We determine success in different ways. And that's why it's really important for parents of all ages to really have a healthy definition of what is success. Like, what does it look like for me to be in that spot with my kids, with my family, where I feel like, yes, this is it. Like, this is why I work so hard. It wasn't for the money. It wasn't for this. It was for these little moments. Right now, I'm eating Chinese food with my family, and it's this Christmas morning, or my girl just scored her first goal and she looked right at me. Like that's success, right? This is why, like, what is true wealth? Well, like, we can all, like, anyone can be so wealthy when you look at success like that way. Like, a peek inside a wealthy person's home, what does it look like? Well, it looks like happy, healthy kids and connected parents, and we're not losing our minds and we're doing okay,